hey all, it's me, this is Ray, and this is the start of the races, part 1. Just finished that race, and now it's my car, that nice one that Evan's touching. Alright, we're waiting them to get set up. Sorry about the screaming children, that's kind of something that happens at public events. So yeah, just give them a little time to set up.
Alright, we have Robert in lane 1 and Nick in lane 2.
Alright, I think we're just about set. Evan, we good?
Wait, no.
Nope, not yet. Hold on. Be patient, people. So, we got all the time in the world. Alright, starting the time.
5, 4, 3,
2, 1. That's it. So get ready for part 2.